hurt me, you did, several times. It hurts to admit that we're no different. I find it hard to commit, but you don't even try. Still I'm better with than without you. Oh, I'm on it, I want it, but why do you seem to call in your eyes? I can't tell if you're here or you're out there. Do you wanna be out there? You don't need to be Prince Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hari ini kita akan belajar untuk memasang roman set. Roman set itu yang tekuk-tekuk seperti itu. Oke. Beberapa alat yang kita perlukan di sini adalah dari, bisa elektrik, bisa dari biasa, mur. Kemudian ini kaki. Kaki nanti dapat dari sini, langsung dari roman setnya yang masih belum dibuka. Seperti itu. Nah, ini posisi sudah terbuka. Kemudian nanti kita tandai di atas yang mau dipasang di pojok-pojok sini, mohon di sini, di atas itu. Oke, kita tandai semua, langsung kita pasang kakinya. Seperti ini cara pemasangan kakinya. Lalu kita pasang roman di sini. Di sini kita pasang romannya, masukkan itu. Sambil bunyi kok.
Charming to me. I just need this to be real. I don't need no fairy tale. You don't need a killer dragon for me. Ooh, I don't need no fairy tale. Still, every time, whatever it is, I keep on trying. 'Cause it ain't hard to forgive when you know what it's like. That's why I'm better with than without you. Oh,